Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to compare two popular Ethernet switches from TP-Link, the TP-Link 5-port Ethernet switch and the TP-Link TL-SG108. We'll be evaluating these products in various categories and giving you our thoughts about how they compare. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Let's dive in. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, the TP-Link 5-port Ethernet switch might be the way to go, with a price of just $9. However, if you're willing to invest a bit more, the TP-Link TL-SG108 offers more features and advanced software options, but comes with a higher price tag of $21. Both switches offer multiple Ethernet ports for additional wired connections, but the TP-Link TL-SG108 takes it up a notch with 8 ports, compared to the TP-Link 5-port Ethernet switch's 5 ports. The TP-Link TL-SG108 wins in the energy efficiency department with its innovative and energy-efficient technology, whereas the TP-Link 5-port Ethernet switch still provides up to 68% power saving. Both switches come with a fanless design, ensuring quiet operation. The TP-Link TL-SG108 offers a quiet fanless design with a sturdy metal case that can either be desktop or wall-mounted and operating temperature of 0 degrees Celsius - 40 degrees Celsius, whereas the TP-Link 5-port Ethernet switch offers a desktop design. The TP-Link TL-SG108 wins in the advanced software features department with its ability to prioritize traffic and guarantee high quality of video or voice data transmission with port-based 802.1p DSCP codes and IGMP snooping. On the other hand, TP-Link 5-port Ethernet switch has no advanced software features. Both switches offer free technical support, however, TP-Link TL-SG108 has limited lifetime protection, whereas the TP-Link 5-port Ethernet switch has unlimited 24/7 technical support. And that's it for our comparison between the TP-Link 5-port Ethernet switch and the TP-Link TL-SG108. As you can see, each switch has its own unique advantages and shortcomings, so it ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful content from our channel.